Hi, I'm Andrea and I work in the City of London for one of the most important worldwide financial organizations, Ndrangheta.
Ndrangheta today is well established in more than 200 countries worldwide: Australia, Canada, Colombia, the United States, etc. With annual profits of more than 53 billion euros. With contracts all over the world, it has many areas of expertise: politics, finance, building, and much more.
With 10 years of partnership with the Picciotti, I have been able to see how Ndrangheta is not only a very famous Italian icon like Del Piero, Le Gondole, Torre di Pisa, Eros Ramazzotti, Lapo, Elkin, Schettino, but also how it still remains like a big family with strong family values, with that familial willingness to help each other out.
Ndrangheta is family.
The day before my wedding, the place for the reception called, canceled. So my father-in-law, Il Ciccio D'Impulsivo, he called his friends at Ndrangheta, and within an hour, problem solved. They even found a better place. It was beautiful, and we felt so lucky because the place we were gonna have it, the next day, burned to the ground. Amazing.
Ndrangheta today is to be inside of the challenge of our times as leading actors. It is to worry about the future of our planet.
Ndrangheta is environment.
Well, I've worked with Ndrangheta in the disposal of special waste for a long time. It's a very professional job, you know, based on the type of waste that's being transported. But I have to admit, it's like a holiday for me, you know. For example, we got to go out to the middle of the Ionian Sea, and there, after dumping the waste in the water, then we swam in those amazing blue waters.
I take care of ecology for Ndrangheta. Recycling is the key word. For Christmas, certain types of waste can be recycled and turned into low-cost toys for underprivileged children. Because if it's not Christmas for everyone, it's not Christmas at all, is it?
If you're a dynamic person who likes to fly without a net, then Ndrangheta's for you.
Ndrangheta is love.
Oh, my son, he said that when he grows up, he wants to join Ndrangheta just like his father and his grandfather. As a reward, he got 2 little turtles and he named them Toto and Rina.
New challenges are waiting for us. The Expo 2015 in Milan is an opportunity that we want to jump on. Food is life, and when there is life, there's Ndrangheta. Thank you, Ndrangheta. Thank you, Picciotti.
Come join Ndrangheta. If you can't find us, we'll find you.